Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign out of your Badoo account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Badoo app on your device. Once you're on this page of the Badoo app, make sure that you're logged in and then click on the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to another page. And once you're on this page, on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the settings option. Go ahead and click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page, just below the basic info option, click on this account option, which will guide you to another page where you'll have to click on this sign out option. Once you click on the sign out option, a pop-up will appear on the screen where you'll have to click on this sign out option again, and there you have it. You have been logged out of your Badoo account. I hope this video helped you to log out of your Badoo account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.